Hello and welcome to another demo of the Tartabit IoT Bridge. Today we're going to be connecting a Semtech LoRa Edge Tracker into Azure IoT Central. So let's talk a little bit about what we're about to see today. So we have a LoRa Edge Tracker using the new LR1110 module talking to a LoRa base station. It can talk to any number of LNSs that we support. Today we're going to be using Helium. The LNS is going to connect that to the IoT bridge to send all of the uplink data. And then the IoT bridge is going to connect to one of the northbound interfaces. In this case, today we're going to be using IoT Central to show the data flow. And the IoT bridge is going to use a solution template to manage all of the communications with the LoRa cloud. So let's get to it. So first I have the IoT bridge here, so I'm going to sign in. And once I'm in, I have my new account here and I'm going to start by importing a solution template. Solution templates are the kind of quick start mechanism to get started with any number of use cases. So in this case, there we go. There's my LoRa Edge to Azure IoT Central. Okay, so I need a little bit of information here. So I need my IoT Central ID scope, my access key, and my LoRa cloud key. So let's plug those in. Okay, now that that information's plugged in, we will do our import. Okay, you see all of these assets were created. So now what I need to do is navigate to my services. We can see I have my connection to Azure IoT Hub. I also now have my LNS connector, and this is where I need to grab my uplink URL for this so I can see where I need to send the data. So we can see here, since we're going to be using Helium, I'll grab my Helium URL, and then I'm going to go over to the Helium console, and we're going to do a new integration. So this will be a simple HTTP integration. What am I going to do? I'm going to post to the URL that I just got, and this is going to be my Edge demo. Now I just need to wire that up. So I already happen to have a couple of these Edge devices present. So I'm going to go grab my new Edge demo, wire this in. Okay, I now have data that should be flowing. So if I go back over to here and refresh, we don't see any information yet. But now if I start shaking my device, which I'm doing right now, we should start seeing traffic come in from this device. Okay, so we're starting to get data here, which is good. If we switch over and check, we should see, okay, we have an endpoint that's been defined. Let's go over and check out in IoT Central what's happened. So, okay, I'm going to go to my devices. Perfect. I see a device here. So we look at it and we see telemetry coming in. So I have data. You can see I'm getting temperature data. No location as of yet, but that's okay. We could see it came in from Helium. So let's see what happened. So now if I wanted to, I could go back here and oh look, we see I've got a second device that's come in now. So I now have two devices that have come in. So I'm going to go though and update my device template, and let's auto-generate some views for it. So let's generate my default views, and now we're going to republish the model, navigate back to my devices, view this device. And if we check the overview, you can see we have a nice structured data in a dashboard. So in less than 5 minutes, we showed connecting a Semtech LoRa Edge Tracker with the new LR1110 module, connecting and sending data in a nice structured format into Azure IoT Central. I encourage you all get started today. Try our product at www.tartabit.com/marketplace. See you next time.